Listen and say.
Solomon Grundy. Solomon Grundy, born on Monday, hanged on Tuesday, married on Wednesday, got ill on Thursday, died on Friday, buried on Saturday, prayed for on Sunday. That was the end of Solomon Grundy.
Do activity B from your textbook. Monday, Saturday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Write the days of the weeks in cursive letters in the correct order. Write in your textbook.